Hello everyone! The 2021 Toyota Prius is renowned for its fantastic safety record and interior space. However, the Prius takes things a step further. But how? Let's explore this today. Welcome to Rolling on Wheels. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and turn on notifications by clicking on the bell icon. Toyota is one of the most popular car manufacturers globally, and much of the brand's success comes from the Toyota Prius. The first Prius spawned in Japan in 1997. After that, Toyota planned to create a ride that would incorporate an ordinary engine and motor. Thanks to powerful planning and execution, the Toyota Prius was released as a successful ride and the first ever mass-produced hybrid. The Prius came to market at just the right time, a time when we were all moving to a new generation with a desire for new technology and a push towards being more eco-friendly. The car's reasonable price and excellent EPA contributed to its enormous success and ultimately made it the best-selling hybrid vehicle in the United States, surpassing its amazing newer rivals, and the rest is history. Around 2.5 decades later, the Toyota Prius remains the most effective and reliable crossover car ever built. Of course, the 2021 Toyota Prius is famous for its incredible security record and interior space, but even this only scratches the surface of what this vehicle is capable of, particularly more up-to-date trims. The 2021 Toyota Prius's ranking is based on its hybrid and electric cars category score, so with Toyota rolling out its 2021 adaptation with a restricted number of 2020 versions, here are a few things to know about the upgraded Prius. Number 1. Bold new look. Just because Prius drivers need to reduce their carbon footprint doesn't mean they don't consider style. With the special 2020 Prius commemorating the 20th anniversary, 2020 Toyota customers can look forward to two accessible striking, fresh colors: Supersonic Red or the new Wind Chill Pearl. In addition, with a dashing dark exterior trim, power outage headlight components, and a color-keyed raised spoiler, the interesting Prius presents a sporty look that will inspire any car savant. Number 2. Designed for efficiency. Then again, Prius drivers understand that everything ought to come with a reason. The coffee holders are pivotal to the morning commute. The hands-free Bluetooth capability lets them remain productive while on the go. And the 6 speakers make those times stuck in traffic a bit more fun. Even the popular Prius silhouette has its driving force. The signature design produces an ultra-low 0.24 coefficient of drag, and the automatic grille shutter includes even more effectiveness by closing when the radiator isn't required. Number 3. The space you need. The Prius hatchback has one of the biggest cargo capacities in the hybrid and electric car class. There are 27.4 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, 24.6 cubic feet in LE trims and models with all-wheel drive, and 50.7 cubic feet with the back seats collapsed down. The Prius seats up to 5 individuals. The seats are comfortable and steady, and there's plentiful space for adults. Even tall people should have sufficient headroom in both rows. This Toyota also offers the driver excellent all-around visibility. There are 2 sets of latch connectors for the rear outboard seats and a tie grapple for the rear middle seat. In addition, the back middle seat can borrow lower stays from the connecting outboard seats. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety gave this latch system the most elevated rating of Good Plus, which shows that it's among the least demanding and most flexible to use. Number 4. Prius interior quality. The Prius's cabin has an alluring design and highlights mainly quality materials. However, with a few striking plastic surfaces throughout the place, interior materials aren't as high quality as you'll find in a few other Toyotas, just like the Camry hybrid. Number 5. Prius infotainment, Bluetooth, and navigation. The standard infotainment system features standard smartphone integration innovation and a sizable touchscreen, including Android Auto. On the downside, reviewers note that physical buttons on the control panel and sunlight can glare on the larger accessible touchscreen. Its standard infotainment highlights a 7-inch touchscreen, a 6-speaker sound system, Android Auto, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa, 3 USB ports, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Its available infotainment features include an 11.6-inch touchscreen, navigation, a 10-speaker JBL Premium audio system, satellite radio, and HD radio. Additional standard features are a push-button start, automatic climate control, and a moonroof. Hold on, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get more updates. Now, back to our topic. Don't sweat the small things. Sometimes speed limit signs surge by quickly, and if you're out on the open road, it may well be a while before you see another one. However, Prius drivers do not have to wait. Road Sign Help recognizes and displays sure signs right on the driver's dashboard screen. It is just one of a suite of features with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 in the latest Prius. With instruments like pedestrian detection, which applies the brakes when recognizing a person in the road, or lane departure alert, which lets the driver know when the car is starting to drift, Prius drivers can be better prepared for each twist and turn. It has 4th-generation hybrid technology, which is incredibly unique. Of course, new colors and forward-thinking features require a place to call home. Utilizing the Toyota new global architecture, Toyota's all-inclusive frame-for-all 4th-generation vehicles, the new Prius is the most productive to date and the quietest. The Prius merges its 52 miles per gallon combined city and interstate miles per gallon estimates with the car's power control unit, which lets the Prius work on battery power alone in most circumstances before starting and switching easily to the gas engine when required. Even the fans work intelligently, utilizing Toyota's SmartFlow mode to coordinate air only to seated occupants. All these elements work in concert to make a consistent driving experience on the road. The 2021 Prius has a predicted reliability score of 64 out of 100. A J.D. Power predicted reliability score of 91 to 100 is considered the best. 81 to 90 is excellent. 70 to 80 is average. And 0 to 69 is fair and considered below average. The 2021 Prius is covered by a 3-year per 36,000-mile basic warranty, 5 years per 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, and an 8-year per 100,000-mile warranty for most hybrid components. In addition, the battery has a 10 years per 150,000-mile warranty. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety gave the 2021 Toyota Prius the highest good rating in 5 crash tests and the second highest acceptable rating in the passenger side small overlap front test. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety also provided the Prius an acceptable rating for how well its headlights illuminate the road. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety uses a diverse scale for reviewing collision avoidance features. The Prius earned the most elevated rating of superior for its standard front crash prevention systems. However, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has not given the 2021 Prius a general security rating, even though it did provide the car 4 out of 5 stars in the rollover test. The Prius is 15 feet long. Its curb weight ranges from 3,000 to 3,222 pounds. Toyota builds the 2021 Prius in Japan. The 2021 Toyota Prius has a starting price of $24,525, which is low for the hybrid and electric car class. A new special anniversary 2020 edition trim is available for $29,875. The top-of-the-line limited trim starts at $32,650. The cost of insuring a Toyota Prius will depend on various factors, including your deductible, the level of coverage you want, and the type of insurance you choose. Your age, gender, location, credit score, and driving record can also have an impact on your insurance rates. The Toyota Camry Hybrid and the Toyota Prius have great fuel economy figures, and each comes with a wealth of standard security and infotainment innovation. However, the Prius's hatchback design gives it more traveler and cargo room than its kin, and it's about $3,900 cheaper. Also, the Prius is accessible with all-wheel drive, whereas the Camry Hybrid isn't. Still, the Camry comes out ahead much obliged to its extra drive, more engaging ride, more pleasant cabin, and higher predicted reliability score. So guys, winding up today's content, I hope you understand all specifications of fabulous Prius 2021. Before wrapping up, subscribe to Rolling on Wheels for watching more and incredible videos in the future. Please stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.